You believe a day has always been the same, 24 hours, fixed, familiar, but deep in Earth's past, a day once lasted only 18 hours. Time has never been constant. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was young, hot, and unstable, still cooling, still forming. The planet spun faster then. A day was not the rhythm we know, but a hurried rotation through space. A Mars-sized body collided with Earth, debris scattered, then reunited. The moon was born, and from that moment on, time began to slow. The moon does more than light the night. It pulls on Earth. Tides rise and fall, gripping the planet's rotation. With every wave, Earth loses a fraction of its speed. 2 billion years ago, a day lasted about 18 hours. Sunrise came sooner. Night fell faster. Life had to adapt to a shorter cycle of light and dark. Photosynthesis, sleep, metabolism. Biological clocks were not built for a 24-hour day. They were shaped by Earth's changing spin. Today, a day lasts 24 hours, not because it must, but because Earth happens to spin at this pace. Earth is still slowing down. One day, a day may last 25 hours. Time does not exist for us, we exist briefly within it. If you were standing on Earth then, you would feel the sky moving. Not the slow rise and fall we know, but faster, more restless rotation. Clouds dragged across the sky, stars tracing shorter, faster arcs. The sky has no patience. Strangely, a year doesn't get shorter. Earth's orbit around the sun remains almost unchanged, but days get shorter. So a year has more days than today. Our bodies adapted to a 24-hour rhythm, but the earliest clocks of life were never built for us. They learned to harvest light faster in shorter nights, rest earlier. Time shaped the form of life. We often take time as the backdrop of history, but in Earth's story, time itself is a force, stretching days, changing climate, reshaping ecosystems. If Earth never slowed, a day might still last 18 hours. Our sleep, culture, civilization would be completely different. Perhaps humans wouldn't exist at all. Earth didn't slow for us, it just keeps spinning, and we happen to emerge at a speed that feels just right. Every century, Earth's day lengthens by a few milliseconds, not a warning, not a crisis, just the universe continuing its patience. The 24 hours you live are not eternal. They are just one version in Earth's 4.6 billion year story. And you wake up, live, and sleep in this brief moment. In that era, daylight did not linger. As soon as the sun rose, it was already on its way down. Light became a brief resource. Night learned to claim the sky faster. Temperatures shifted more sharply. Days heated quickly. Nights cooled just as fast. Winds, clouds, and rain had to keep pace with a faster rhythm. The oceans are faithful archivists. A faster spin meant a stronger Coriolis force. Currents followed different paths. Tides moved in tighter cycles. Water never forgets Earth's speed. Rotation shapes more than time, it shapes weight. The equator bulged slightly. Gravity was redistributed. Earth formed its shape while spinning. That world had no second hands, no schedules, no countdowns, only light and darkness, over and over again. Each tidal interaction was a tiny break. Earth barely noticed, but after billions of years, the result became clear. Ancient rocks preserve rhythm. Tidal layers and growth rings record how many days a year once had. Stone is more honest than any clock. When humans arrived, a day had nearly reached 24 hours. We did not change time. We inherited it. In the distant future, days will continue to lengthen, not by choice, but by physics. To the universe, there is no too fast or too slow. There is only what is happening. In an 18-hour day, shadows moved faster. Mountains were never fully lit before the light shifted away. The world never stayed at one angle for long. Night arrived too quickly to feel like an ending. It was a handoff. Light stepped away, darkness stepped in. Earth never asked life if it was ready. It simply spun. Those that kept up survived. Those that didn't vanished. To us, 24 hours feels normal. To Earth, there is no normal, only the present moment. We imagine time as a straight line, but Earth's time is a stretched melody, lengthening slowly, almost imperceptibly. If you stood outside Earth and watched it spin, you would not see a day. You would only see motion. Seconds, minutes, hours are human inventions. Earth has never counted a single one. Agriculture, cities, sleep, civilization depends on steady cycles of day and night. And that stability is a coincidence on a cosmic scale. We schedule time, we waste time, we chase time, but time has never belonged to us. Today's 24 hours are already becoming history, not an ending, just the beginning of another version. Right now, Earth is spinning. You are not an observer. You are inside this rotation. A day once lasted only 18 hours, and you live after it slowed. In an 18-hour day, dawn was not a period but a moment. Light barely crossed the horizon before the world could understand it, and daylight was already leaving. That world had no delay, light did not wait, darkness did not hesitate. Everything moved, even when nothing seemed to happen. The horizon was not still, it was running. The sun could not catch it. Neither could the shadows. Life had no option to take its time, adapt, or be erased. Time never explains itself. To us, night feels long, but back then it was only the other side of a rapid shift. When a day lasted 18 hours, humans did not exist. When it reached 24, Earth did not notice us. On Earth's timescale, civilization is a brief noise. It appears, grows louder, then fades. Even without life, without eyes, without memory, time would still move. What you feel as now is not a privilege. It is only an angle in Earth's rotation. If one day Earth were to speed up again, it would not be a disaster, just another version of rhythm. We fear change because our lives are short. To Earth, change is just breathing. This is not nostalgia. The 18-hour day was not better. It simply existed. Before you close this video, Earth will have turned several more degrees. You won't notice, it won't stop. A day once lasted 18 hours. And a day will not always be 24. Time never looks back. It does not review its path. When the 18-hour day disappeared, the universe left no footnote. Stability is only a long illusion, long enough for civilizations to appear. To humans, days feel fast or slow. To Earth, there is only scale. When a day feels too short, time has not shrunk. You are simply living too densely. War, peace, birth, extinction, Earth's rotation never responds. If one day a day lasts 30 hours, we will redefine what staying up late means. Clocks, routines, calendars. Civilization needs rhythm, not truth. Earth does not need to be understood, recorded, or named. It only needs to continue. You did not miss the 18-hour day. It was never meant for you. Time is not flowing. We are the ones moving. The 18-hour day was once the future. The 24-hour day will become the past. Earth is not in a hurry. It never has been. It knows we will leave first. Every breath you take happens inside a world that is slowing down. When the image stops, Earth will not. A day once lasted 18 hours, and even now it is still changing.